Saturday, January 12th. Are you ready to experiment today? I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine, and yes.
Yes, good. Well,
yes.
I'm glad.
Well, the moon is in Aquarius, and Aquarius certainly is an experimental place for the moon, always, because we can detach enough from our feelings that we don't necessarily care about what the results of an action are. And that's not completely true. We do care, but there is some detachment. But the interesting thing today is that the moon in Aquarius, Aquarius's modern ruling planet is wild, crazy Uranus. Its ancient ruling planet is stern Saturn. And Uranus and Saturn are basically being pulled into the picture today.
Yeah, in very creative ways.
Very creative.
One of the great things about Aquarius, we often describe it as being out of the box. And we're getting out of the box today in a couple of ways. What Rick was pointing to were two quintiles, creative 72-degree angles between the Sun and Saturn, which is taking care of business, and the Sun and Uranus, which is creating new business.
Yeah, and so they're really, I get the sense today that Saturn and Uranus, we often look at restrictive Saturn and breakthrough innovative Uranus as being opposites. But today they're working together in a way that we can break through and yet do it in such a way that makes it real, that these two opposite planets are not fighting against each other today. There's some way creatively that we can take things to another level.
And that's particularly important as well because Venus, which is the key ruling planet of Libra, Venus forms a square, a 90-degree angle with weird, strange Uranus this evening. Social breakthroughs, breakdowns in plans, surprises, freedom and flexibility are all on the agenda. I'm Jeff Jower.
And for Planet Pulse, I'm Rick Levine.